Hey yo everyone, welcome to my channel. So the reason why I made a stop here in Russia, it's because of this crew. I think they were originally came by in 2024, just a year ago, and this song that I've encountered is called HOMAY by Hey YOLA. Right? My very first time, definitely new to me, but for Russian music, not new. Alright, Russian artists, not new. I've known of Shaman and I've known of Diana and Kulinova. So this person now, this group called Heyola is quite new to me, very new. So I'll be reacting to this music called Homey. Right? So with this being said, let's see what's up. And thanks for accepting me here in your country as a little Jamaican reactor. So I want to be surprised. I want to see what's up. With that being said, let's go. So this is her voice. Golden. Golden. She sounds good so far, bro. This music sounds so peaceful. It sounds so joyful. It sounds so great. Is anyone here watching this video sounds happy? Wow, what a cute music. Damn. Hey, Yola, I gotta say, you've now earned a fan. Oh my god, yo, the music here is quite fire. Sounds good. The instrumental sounds good. The artist, she looks great. The dude here looks so cool. Very good music. Very good music. When music sweet. When songs it. When songs are so peacefully done, peace make. And I love this. Her cuteness is in overload. She's in overdrive with cuteness, bro. She's gorgeous. That the drums, the drummers, the sound, the tune is fine. It's refined. Trust me. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. This voice is scary, bro. It's scary. I'm terrified, bro. I'm terrified. The images here bring even more stronger, terrified momentum, bro. Like, bro, I wasn't expecting that tremendous turn here. Wow, wow, that's some good music. Even though I'm a month late, music can never get old, bro. Once the music is quality enough, it can never get old. Good music will last, bro. Good music will keep on playing for generations. And I think people nowadays, especially in this diaspora of music, is dropping music that not just can play now, but can play generations to come, bro. Good quality music sells. So if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, smash a subscribe button, share this to a friend, telling him or about me, the Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another reaction video. Please state your suggested comments down below to let me know which song I should check out next. By YOLA.